Nakakatuwa kasi grabe, nung nagsimula kami ng Lorraine in Espanya, wala pang Univercada, wala pang Vivercada. Tapos doon sa first book, yun, siguro nakita ng mga boses na barkada talaga kami ng marketing team. Tapos, pinanatan agad nila ng Univercada. And then, from Univercada, naging Vivercada. And I'm so happy to see, after 3 years of hard work,
Kayo nag-start noon.
I mean, yeah, I mean, we did it all together. Like, all of us, I mean, Univercada did.
Kay Marco kasi, nung pinost namin yung promo nito video, ang hinahanap talaga ng fans kayo at saka si Heaven. Wala pang interview with you and Heaven. So, can we expect a number between you and Heaven?
Between the two of us? Yeah, there's definitely gonna be. Every show has their own kind of like segment. So yeah, meron kaming performance. And we train really hard. We try to do our best within the rehearsals, and I think it's gonna turn out great.
How does it feel na, even though alam naman namin na walay na kayo, break na kayo, but still the fans are there for you? And actually, marami na sad, pero they're still rooting for you guys.
It's kind of it puts me in a spot where I'm like, Heaven, tayong gumawa niyan, no? No, but it feels like anak namin sila. Hindi, pero ako sa totoo lang, parang nung nasa stage ako kanina sa rehearsal, syempre hindi ko maiwasan na maalala yung mga memories namin sa katulad ng mga mall show. Pero natutuwa pa rin ako kasi Heaven and I will always just leave a smile on my face. Like, all of those memories, it doesn't matter if we don't end up together. I will cherish that till I get old, and yeah,
Alam mo mga fans, magiging nostalgic na kayo. Sure.
I think so. Diba? Ako nga din, nagre-relapse din ako. Joke lang yun.
Pero kumusta ang working relationship ngayon in Heaven?
Okay, nakakatuwa. Kasi both kami, like, we're friends. And we're able to, set our personal aside. And pagdating naman dito, ayun na nga, ginagawa nga namin para sa kanila. Hindi lang sa Vivercada, pero, I mean, not to be pero for our fans naman, we're really glad na parang andun pa sila. Kaya hanggang nandyan pa sila, ibibigay namin kung anong kaya namin para sa kanila. Project man yan, performance, endorsement, kung ano man yan. I know Heaven is professional, and I'm learning from the best. So,
What keeps you busy nowadays? Kasi last time I asked you, syempre, nagano ka, di ba? You're learning videography.
Yes.
Sa ng mga pinagkakabalan.
You're wondering what I'm doing regarding it? Okay, sige. Hindi ko pa sinasabi ito sa labas. I mean, there's no need kasi wala talaga. Pero since you're asking, di ba last time sinabi ko sa'yo na I was with this company, Lit Lab, that I was doing an intern for them. Dahil sa work, nag-stop ako doon, wala na akong oras. So, ngayon, I was doing my own thing, and then yung friends ko, bigla na lang tinatanong nila ako kung anong grade ko para kung i-hire nila ako for posting, sa mga branding. Ako naman, sa mga tropa ko, hindi ko sila ma-charge.